What I do, what I do, da da do, da da do. What I do, what I do, da da do, da da do. What I do, what I do, da da do, da da do.
Camobus is a multimedia project studio encased in a 40-foot single-deck coach. It was designed and built to cater for a wide range of applications. The coach can be used as a mobile and secure base for various projects. It can be transformed quickly to facilitate either sleeping, hospitality, production, broadcasting, workspace, or even empty space. Inside the bus, there's 240 volt power supply all the way through, and there's a whole host of audio and vision equipment. The Camobus has 6 to 10 beds, executive seating, kitchen, and plenty of storage. It has a large live lounge, cum project studio, vocal room, and a drum booth all within the bus. So if you have a project that needs to go on the road, check out our website. It's www.camobus.com. Get in contact and let's hatch a plan.